Hello, and congratulations! You have reached the fourth and final chapter of the NordVPN course. I hope that after this course, you have learned something new about VPNs, about the privacy of your data, and the importance of keeping it safe from bad actors. Let's do a recap of what we have learned in those three chapters. Let's begin. In the first chapter, I provided an overview of the topics we should cover. In the first lesson, we learned how to get started on NordVPN for the first time, and why is it important to use a reliable VPN provider. In the second lesson, we talked about the most common data breaches and the effects they may have on you as an individual or even on big corporations. For good measures, I will enumerate again the 6 most common data breaches: malware, phishing, human error, weak passwords, technical difficulties, and an inside job. In the second chapter, we learned all the necessary steps for connecting on NordVPN, the importance of your IP address, how easy can a cybercriminal access your IP address without a proper VPN, and the benefits of having double VPN. In the fourth lesson, we learned about the highlights of NordVPN and how can cookies affect your browsing experience and also your security. The fifth lesson is about the perks of having NordVPN. It's similar to the fourth lesson, but more product-oriented. In the sixth lecture, I showed you 3 funny facts about NordVPN, which isn't really a lecture, as I said earlier in the course. In the seventh lecture, I presented to you 2 awesome Nord products, NordLocker and NordPass, and key benefits for getting your hands on those products. In the eighth lecture, I showed you some practical use cases for NordLocker and NordPass, like protecting personal files, secure file sharing, and simplifying password management. In the final lesson, I made a step-by-step guide for watching your favorite TV show at a fraction of the price, and also getting cheaper online purchases, car rentals, and booking hotel rooms with NordVPN. We are almost done. Just one more lesson to go, and we have completed the NordVPN 101 course. I will see you guys in the bonus lesson.